Meaning of good sense.
Good sense.
Good sense.
Good sense.
Good sense. Good sense, also known as common sense, refers to a person's ability to make practical and rational decisions based on their own experiences and knowledge. It involves using sound judgment, critical thinking, and logic to navigate everyday situations. Someone with good sense is able to weigh the pros and cons of a situation, consider different perspectives, and make informed choices. Cultivating good sense is important for success in both personal and professional settings, as it allows individuals to navigate complex issues with confidence and clarity. Ultimately, having good sense is about being able to make wise decisions that are in line with one's values and goals.